Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is very important because I'm going to be sharing a strategy, a blueprint with you guys that will allow you to get the jobs in UK super fast. As promised, I'm in front of my laptop and I will give you a quick demonstration of how this strategy and blueprint works. But before going into that, I just wanted to put it out there. Finding a job is an art. If you are skilled, you will get the job. Don't listen to these naysayers, don't listen to these negative people who are saying job is going to a particular fraction of the community. There are not many jobs out there, there's a recession going on. I don't buy that theory. If you have worked on yourself, if you have improved your skill sets, you will get the job. You can only control the controllables. And what are the controllables? Controllables are your CV, your covering letter, the way you dress up, the way you come across. These are the things which are under your control. Try and strengthen these areas as opposed to be looking at things which are beyond your control. That's why I say not every battle is meant to be won. Some battles are there to teach you a lesson. Anyways, without further delay, let's look into our strategy and blueprint. First up, we are going to look at this blueprint, which is broken down into 7 steps. So the very first step is starters. There are 4 actions you have to take in this one. Picking up your BRP card, applying for national insurance number, bank account and providing driving license. National insurance, bank account, the VLA applications can be done online. Step 2, CV and covering letter. You have to build an attractive CV and a covering letter explaining why you are the best candidate for the job. Your CV needs to be an eye-catching one so that recruiters look at the CV and it stands out. Step 3, application. Start sending job applications straight away, same day if possible when you land in UK. Step 4, job search tools. Ensuring you are on the best job search website. For professional jobs, LinkedIn is best, Indeed is best for all kinds, and Reed as well. Step 5, being optimistic. Frankly, most of your CVs will end up in a bin. The idea is to try and extract feedback from every single rejection and try and improve it on the next one. Ideal opportunity. Don't wait for the ideal opportunity. Start any job you can get to ensure that you are covering your day-to-day expenses, perhaps in takeaways, restaurant, etc. Step 7, growth mindset. Having a growth mindset, not being comfortable at one place, but exploring new challenges, securing new job opportunities which can be beneficial for you in the future. Now let's look into the practical blocks. The very first one is being proactive. Start looking for job opportunities ASAP. Don't wait until 2 days or 1 week to begin sending your CVs across. Start now. Creating an excellent CV. This is your big opportunity to make an impact and securing the job interview. So focus on ensuring that you tick all the boxes of the job specification in your CV. Basically, whatever the job specs or job duties are, it should be replicating into your CV. So the keywords should match off. The third aspect, pinpoint your previous experiences or accomplishments early in the CV to engage employers from the word go. The last aspect to the block 1 is try and securing some references from back home which can be mentioned in the CV. Block 2, minimum wage. You have to understand the concept of minimum wage. It's basically employees are paid the minimum wage depending on their age. So if you're 23 and over, you would be paid $9.50. That's 2022. In 2023, from April 2023 onwards, you would be getting $10.42, and the same for 21-22, $9.16, and it's going up in April 2023 to $10.18. So yeah, these are the minimum wage rates which you should be mindful of. Maximum hours, if you're a student, you're only allowed to work 20 hours per week. In university holidays, you can work up to 60 hours. I used to work 60 hours because I was working in security. Jobs availability. Your aim should be to secure a job opportunity which is linked to your degree. It's sometimes harder for the students, but still your aim should be that. However, don't wait for the ideal opportunity. Just make a start so you can start meeting your monthly expenses. The day you come into UK, your expenses are being built up. So my advice would always be start wherever you can. The best part-time job for students is working as a static security officer, but there's a process for the application which requires proof of address, a clearance security certificate from back home, and an application fee. So that might not be feasible or straightforward, readily available option for you. The other jobs availability market would be for warehouse assistant, restaurant assistant, pizza shop assistant. Receptionist ideal for females, and junior sales representative ideal for improving communication skills. The other important aspect to consider is the visa type. If you're on a student visa, then options are pretty limited. But being on a dependent or a spouse visa, you have wide range of jobs you can apply for. Students can work full time during the holidays by attending a lecture from the university, like I mentioned earlier, for 60 hours. Last but not the least, if you do get the job, enjoy the success, but always keep one eye on the future. Because you have to make sure that you get your field job or close to your field job. And if you have already secured your field job, then aim for more learning, as learning will increase your earning. So these were the practical blocks of securing your dream job. Again, these are the things which have helped me in my career. And I just thought, it would be vital and fundamental to share it with you guys. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is something else which I wanted to tell you guys. Being consistent, being resilient, being optimistic, being positive have always helped me in my job search. On that happy note, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.